Student, today we are going to learn the third chapter of mathematics, quadrilaterals. At first, we have to know the meaning of quadrilaterals, a simple closed figure bounded by four line segment. Just remember, four line segment is called a quadrilateral. You know, if there are three line segment, this is known as triangle, and if there are four line segment is called quadrilaterals. Here is a picture of a quadrilateral. You can see A, B, C, D. Here is one quadrilateral whose vertices are, what is the meaning of vertices? The end points are known as vertices, means A, B, C, D. These 4 points are known as vertices. How the four sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. The four angles are this: ABC, BCD, this angle is known as BCD, CDA, this angle is known as CDA, and this DAB. These four are the angles. Now, there is another point is diagonals. What is the meaning of diagonals? Diagonals is the line which can join the two opposite vertices of any quadrilateral. You can see A and C. These two are the opposite vertices. So the joining line AC is known as diagonal, and another BD is another diagonal, as BD can join the two opposite vertices B and D. Now, what is adjacent side? Two sides of quadrilateral are called adjacent when they have a common end point. You can see AB and BC. AB, BC. Both the line have a common end point B. So we can conclude AB and BC are two adjacent sides. We can also say BC and CD. These two lines also have a common end point C. You can see BC, so it has C, CD, it has also C. So we can say BC and CD are two adjacent side. Now, what is the meaning of opposite side? Two sides of a quadrilateral are called its opposite side if they do not have a common end point. Adjacent side means have a common end point, but opposite side means they do not have a common end point. Just see the picture. Here is two sides AB and CD. The end point of AB line is B and A, but the end point of CD line is C and D. So this two line does not have a common end point. So these two sides are known as opposite side. See, adjacent angle. The two angles are called adjacent angle if they have a common side. Just see, an angle ABC and another angle BCD. These two angles both have a common side BC. In the angle ABC, a common side is BC, and in angle BCD, a common side is BC. So these two angles are known as adjacent angle. Next point is opposite angle. Two angles are called opposite angle if they does not have any common side. Just see, here is an angle B. So we can call ABC. The sides are AB and BC. But in case of angle ADC, just opposite. Angle B and the opposite is D. So the angle ADC, the sides are AD and DC. So they do not have any common side. These two angles are known as opposite angle. Now we are coming to the next part, convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. If all the four interior angles, just you have to know the meaning of interior angle. The angles inside the quadrilateral is known as interior angle. You can see these A, B, C, D. These four angles are known as interior angle. If all the four interior angles of a quadrilateral are less than 180 degree, you can see these four angles are less than 180 degree, is known as the convex quadrilateral. So this figure is known as convex quadrilateral. Now we are coming to the next part, concave quadrilateral. If one of the four interior angles is greater than 180 degree if one of the four, not all the four, here is 4 angle E, F, G, H. You can clearly see the F angle is greater than 180 degree. So we can say this quadrilateral means E, F, G, H. This quadrilateral is known as concave quadrilateral. You have to remind this thing. The total sum of 4 interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Remember, all the quadrilateral have 4 interior angle and all the sum of the interior angles are 360 degree. Now, interior and exterior of a quadrilateral, you know, the interior means inside and the exterior means outside. Just come to this figure. Here is a figure of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. You can clearly see here a 3 point P, Q, R. P, Q, R. These 3 dots, 3 points are inside the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Just see P, Q, R. All the 3 are inside A, B, C, D quadrilateral. But a point M and a point L, these two are outside the quadrilateral ABCD, and another point E, and this is on the line of the quadrilateral E. So we can conclude like this: the part inside the boundary ABCD is known as interior of a quadrilateral, means PQR are known as interior of the quadrilateral, and the part outside the boundary ABCD is known as exterior. We already told you that exterior means outside, so of the quadrilateral. So here are 2 points M and L. M and L, these two are outside of the quadrilateral. The point E is on the boundary ABCD. It is not interior and exterior. So what we learned, that P, Q are these 3 are interior points of the quadrilateral, M and L are exterior point of the quadrilateral, and this point T, you can see this is on the line AB. So this is not a interior or nor a exterior. So this is on the border line of the quadrilateral. Okay student, you can read the total details and note it in your mathematics copy, and next day we will go through the next part of this chapter, quadrilateral. Okay student, thank you.